Over the last 7 days, 2 of my TikTok videos have generated $32,000 through TikTok Shop Affiliate. Yes, you heard that right. $32,000 in just 7 days. What's even more incredible, I didn't even show my face in these videos. Even newcomers with brand new TikTok accounts and very few followers are cashing in on this opportunity. And today, I'm going to show you how you can do this for yourself. The best part? You don't need to be an influencer. You don't need any experience. And you can start with 0 followers. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step. A to Z. Stay tuned, because I've just found an amazing new way to find top-selling products and make videos that go viral quickly. I'll share all the details with you in this video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start making money with TikTok Shop Affiliate. But first, let's understand what TikTok Shop Affiliate is all about. TikTok Shop Affiliate lets you promote products from TikTok Shop and earn money for each sale through your special link. It's an easy way to earn passive income. Just make TikTok videos, add your affiliate link, and when people buy through it, you get paid. Now that you grasp the basics of TikTok Shop Affiliate, the next big step to cashing in on this program is finding the perfect product. This is crucial, because what's the use of a viral video if it doesn't translate into sales and commissions? It's all about choosing wisely. Sure, TikTok can show you the best-selling products, but that's not enough to guarantee success. Just because something's popular now doesn't mean it'll stay that way. Trends can fade fast, and if you jump in too late, you might miss out on profits. Plus, what if the market's already flooded with sellers? You'll be facing tough competition right from the start. That's why I've got a secret goldmine. This special AI tool is Shopless. Shopless is your secret to finding the hottest products before everyone else does. This tool digs deep into trends, giving you all the info you need to make smart choices and stay ahead of the game. It's the key to avoiding common pitfalls and boosting your chances of success. Shopless will feed you everything you need to know to thrive. It will show you fast-growing products that are just taking off, so you can jump in before the market gets crowded. It also provides relevant analytics to guide your choices. Ready to harness the power of Shopless? Find the link in the description below. When I choose a product, I first look at what problem it solves. I prefer products that solve general problems, and we all agree that health is a general problem. Everyone wants to be their healthiest self, so we need to find the best health-related products to sell. After you log in, click on Products, then select Top Sellers and choose your country to find the top products there. You can search by the past day, week, or month, or input a custom date range. Let's choose Weekly, which will show you the best performing products in your country over the past 7 days. Next, let's find a winning product in the health supplement niche, since these products solve problems and are popular. To search in a specific niche, click the Expand button to see more options. Select Health, then Supplements. You can filter the search by price range, commission percentage, and more. You can also apply advanced filters like free shipping or a specific product rating. This will help you find high-rated products that meet your criteria. Here are the top-selling products in the food supplement niche according to our search. The number 1 product has made over $570,000 in sales in the past 7 days, and the second one has made $485,000. Let's choose a product that isn't too cheap, so we can make a good profit, but also not too expensive, so people won't hesitate to buy it. We'll go for a product priced between $10 and $15. Here's a product. Multi-mineral sea moss and black seed oil product by Clean Nutra, priced at $11 with a 25% commission. It has made $182,000 in sales in the past 7 days. Click to get more details. You can see all the information about this product to help make an informed decision, including the total views of the product video, total sales volume, number of influencers promoting it, ratings, and more. Here, you can see the same information for the past 7 days. You can also filter by 15 days or 30 days, or enter a custom date to get full analytics for that period. Here, we can also see the sales trend of this product to know if it is just kicking off or dying off. Looking at the trend for the past 15 days, it started low, but has been steadily increasing. This shows it is a great product to promote. Now that we've identified our top-selling product, our next move is to create a viral video to start promoting it. Here are the things we need for our viral video. First, the script. Our video must focus on these 3 key elements: the hook, storytelling, and CTA, call to action. Next, we'll use 11 Labs for the voiceover. Then, generate images with Leonardo AI. And finally, edit with sound effects, sound designs, and captions. These are key elements that every viral video should incorporate. Let's proceed step by step. First, let's generate our script. We can make this happen with chatgpt. Just visit chatgpt and use the prompt I'll give you in the video description. The prompt you use with chatgpt is crucial. If not, the script it creates won't help you go viral. So I'll give it this specific prompt. In just a few seconds, our script will be good to go with a very good hook, storytelling, and call to action. Now let's move on to the next step, which is to create captivating voiceovers for our video. We'll use 11 Labs, an excellent text-to-speech AI tool known for its variety of natural-sounding voices. It's one of the best tools available because it doesn't sound robotic. The voices are very natural and human-like. You can find a link to 11 Labs in the description below. Once you're on 11 Labs' website, you'll find a text box where you can paste your script. Choose a voice that suits your needs, adjust the settings as necessary, and click on Generate. In just a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready to use. Click to download it. Next, we'll create captivating AI-generated images for each scene of our video. To do this, we'll use Leonardo AI, another powerful and free AI tool. Click the link in the video description to begin with Leonardo AI. Once you're logged in, Leonardo AI provides 150 free tokens daily, which should be sufficient for generating your videos. After logging in, click on Launch App. You'll arrive at the dashboard where you should select Image Generation from the menu on the left. Then, under Preset, choose Cinematic Kino. For the image dimensions, click on More and select 9:16, which is ideal for TikTok videos. In the Advanced Settings, select the SDXL 1.0 model. The next step is to enter our instruction into the prompt box above to guide Leonardo AI on which image to create. Once we've entered the prompt and clicked Generate, the images are ready in just a few seconds. It quickly generates 4 images for us, which we can download. We can then repeat this process to create more images as needed. Another option to ensure we get the right prompts for each scene in our video is to ask ChatGPT to provide us with prompts for generating the images. For instance, this time, I copied the prompt from ChatGPT and pasted it into the Leonardo AI prompt box. Within seconds, it produced high-quality images of black seed oil. We can continue using this method to obtain all the images required for our video. The last step is combining the images and voiceover to create our final TikTok video, which will be amazing. We'll use a free AI tool called CapCut for this. CapCut is an easy-to-use online video editing tool that helps merge all video elements to create a great video. Even if you don't have prior editing skills, you can use CapCut to make your video in less than 5 minutes. To get started, click the link in the description to create a new account. Once logged in, click Create Project. Upload all your files, including images generated from Leonardo AI and the voiceover from 11 Labs. Next, click on Ratio and select the 9:16 format, which is ideal for a TikTok video. Now, drag the voiceover onto the timeline below and arrange the images in the correct sequence above it. CapCut provides various transition effects to add style between video segments. Feel free to experiment with different options to find the perfect one for your video. Now, let's focus on enhancing the viral potential of our video through sound effects. Click on Audio to add cool sound effects. You can import your own sounds or use CapCut's built-in sound effects. Simply click Audio, search for a sound effect, or browse through options to find one you like. Once chosen, drag the sound effect to the timeline beneath the video. Repeat this for additional sound effects in specific scenes as needed. Also, CapCut lets you easily add captions or subtitles to enhance accessibility and engagement. To add captions, go to the text menu on the top bar and choose Auto Captions. Explore different styles to find the right one for your video. To add animation to the text, click Animation and choose the one you like. Once you are done, click on Save. and give CapCut some time to render your video. Then you can export the final video. Your finished video is now ready to be uploaded to your TikTok account. Now that our video is done, let's watch it together.
Looking to supercharge your health naturally? Meet the top 4 powerhouse supplements that can transform your well-being. First up, sea moss. This nutrient-rich seaweed is packed with minerals like iodine, calcium, and potassium to support your immune system and promote healthy digestion. Next, black seed oil. Known for its antioxidant properties, it's a powerhouse for your heart health, skin, and overall vitality. Then we have ashwagandha, a powerful adaptogen that helps manage stress, boost energy levels, and enhance cognitive function. And don't forget burdock root. It's excellent for detoxifying your body, supporting liver health, and even promoting clear skin. Each of these supplements is included in our specially crafted blend for maximum benefits. Click to get yours from the TikTok below and experience the natural power of sea moss, black seed oil, ashwagandha, and burdock root today.
And that's all there is to it. By following these easy steps, you can create viral videos and begin earning thousands of dollars through the TikTok Shop affiliate. Remember, consistency is crucial. Keep uploading regularly and interact with your audience. So there you have it, a simple method to earn money from TikTok Shop affiliate. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel to show your support, and we'll be inspired to continue sharing more tips to help you make money. See you in the next video.